Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. As a computer vision engineer, when you are working with videos, oftentimes you need to check the properties of the video such as width, height, FPS and the total number of frames present in the video. Opening up a Python script and writing a bunch of lines of code every time to check these properties is difficult. And sometimes we might be just too lazy to do it. I have written a simple streamlit app to quickly check the properties of a video. All you have to do is go to visionlab.streamlit.app and upload the video, and it will return the properties for you. Under the hood, it uses OpenCV video capture method to get these properties from the video. If you'd like to see the code and add it to your application, just click the show code toggle, and the app will display the Python code. I'm planning to add more useful features to the app that will be helpful to computer vision engineers and improve their productivity. The goal is to enable easy and fast experimentation for rapid development of computer vision applications. If that sounds interesting, feel free to sign up to the mailing list to get notified when new features are added to Vision Lab. Please share your thoughts and feedback in the comments. Hope you find this app useful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.